Oh, look, they have like a little fireplace.
It's Wednesday, March 16th, 2025. First day in Telluride. Technically Mountain Village. Kind of just getting our bearings here today. Show you around the town. Quiet here now. Nice and quiet. I've been in that Sunshine store. That's like a mini mart. This is like a mini mart over here. I'm feeling the cold here. Now we're kind of getting into the main area here. Mountain Village. This is one of the main lifts up here. How you doing?
There's like barely anybody here.
Yeah.
You want to go walk across it?
This is a I don't. No, this is a frozen lake. Look, it's still frozen. It's still frozen. It's still frozen. So, pretty quiet out here this time. Still good snow. We don't know why it's so quiet here. Not many people. Absolutely no problem with that. There it is, Adventure Rock. Huh.
Oh, you actually climb it.
Yeah.
Oh, interesting.
There's no handholds anymore.
Oh yeah, it looks like they took them out. Look, you can see where they were.
Yeah. Okay. I think our unit is this building right here.
Want to go in this way?
Okay. Yeah, because from Zachary's room, he can see. We can see these tables. That window right there is Zachary's bedroom.
Where?
Where I have the blinds pulled open.
Oh.
That singular window
Oh yeah.
on the corner.
Oh yeah, I can see that.
Hey. Howdy. Got in here code. Take this elevator up. Bring you along with us here.
You're in an elevator.
Okay,
Yeah.
here we are.
I found this thing.
Nice.
Try to take your shoes off there.
Here we are.